Hi, how are you all? Hope you are all fine, isn't it? Do you remember me? Hope so. Okay, fine. In today's session, I am going to teach you the letters with the sounds. Okay? You all have learnt in previous classes. Let us just quickly recall these letters with their sounds. Okay? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, of course. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Which is the first letter? Yes, that is A. The first letter of English alphabet is A. A sounds as A. A sounds as A. A ambulance. A ambulance. Can you give me some more examples which produces from A sound? Yes. A apple. A axe. A ant. Is it? Okay. Which letter comes after A? Yes, that is B. B sounds as B. B sounds as B. B bed. B bed. Can you give me some more examples that produces B sound? Yes, it is bag, book, bus. B bag, book, bus. All produces B sound. Is it? B after which letter comes? Yes, that is C. C produces the sound as K. K cat. K cat. Can you give me some more examples of K sound? Yes, it is clock, cake, car, candle, cup. Yes, there are some more letters from K sound. Let us just recall cat, clock, car, cake, candle, cup. Fine. C after which letter comes, children? Yes, of course it is D. D says D. D sounds as D. D dog. D dog. Can you give me some more examples that produces D sound? Desk, door, doll, doctor. The desk, door, doll, doctor. Fine. Now, D after which letter comes? E. Very good. E. E sounds as E. E. Elephant. E. Elephant. Can you give me some more examples that begins with A sound? Yes, of course, it is egg. Egg. Then envelope. Envelope. Fine. Then E after which letter comes? Yeah, very good. F. F sounds as F. F sounds as F. For fish. For fish. Can you give me some more examples of F sound? Yes, it is fruit. For fruit. For fan. For flag. For flower. For frog. Let us recall once again. F. F sounds as F. For fish. For fruit. For fan. For flag. For flower. For frog. Fine. Next. F after which letter comes? Yes, it is G. G sounds as G. G sounds as G. G goat. G goat. G sounds as G. G goat. Some more examples of G sound. G girl. G girl. G gift. G grapes. G glass. Fine. Okay. Now G after which letter comes? H. G after H is it? H sounds as H. H sounds as H. H helicopter. H helicopter. Some more examples that produces H sound. H horse. H house. H hen. H hair. H hammer. Let us recall